What's the real secret behind food that hooks the entire world? Pure flavor or pure engineering? Two titans, KFC and McDonald's, have turned comfort food into a global phenomenon. While McDonald's flips over 2.5 billion burgers a year, it quietly powers one of the world's biggest charities, the Ronald McDonald House. Meanwhile, KFC doesn't just fry chicken, they rescue millions of meals through their harvest program, fighting hunger worldwide. Today on Food Factory Process, we're going behind the scenes, inside the kitchens, the machines, and the magic that keeps them on top. And by the end, which side are you on? Team KFC or Team McDonald's? Drop it in the comments. This is the story behind the icons. Born local, gone global. How did one man, a gas station, and a pressure fryer spark a global chicken empire? Let's rewind. 1930s, Kentucky. Harlan Sanders starts cooking up crispy chicken during the Great Depression. No drive-through, no app, just pure flavor. By 1952, he's franchising. First stop, Utah. KFC is born, and boom, the bucket begins its journey. By the 60s, KFC goes global. Sanders sells the brand, but keeps the look. The face, still on every box. Ownership shifts. PepsiCo picks it up, spins off Yum. Brands. You know, the same crew running Taco Bell and Pizza Hut. And now, KFC is testing menus faster than you can say extra crispy. The Dunk It Bucket. Fries, tenders, mashed potato poppers, aka snack heaven. New stores? Sleek, modern, digital. Like Apple Store meets Chicken Joint. But let's talk weird. Pizza on a fried chicken crust. Double down. No bun, just meat. All meat. Durian balls. Deep fried funk straight from Southeast Asia. Zinger porridge, chicken oatmeal. Surprisingly fire. And KFC rice. TikTok famous in Japan. Toss chicken in a rice cooker, and boom, midnight snack magic. Sourcing and preparation. When fresh chicken arrives at KFC, it's not just dropped off like a takeout order. It gets the VIP treatment. Every piece is carefully inspected because only the best makes it to the fryer. No shady chicken here. Then it's off to the chill zone. A perfectly cool 32 degrees Fahrenheit to 40 degrees Fahrenheit fridge, keeping that chicken fresh and fabulous. And don't worry, KFC doesn't just grab pieces at random like a late-night fridge raid. They follow FIFO, first in, first out, meaning older stock gets used first. No forgotten chicken hiding in the back like that mystery Tupperware in your fridge. Now, let's talk portioning, because we all have our favorites, right? Whether you're a drumstick devotee, wing warrior, or thigh fanatic, every chicken is expertly divided, trimmed, and prepped for maximum crisp and juiciness. No weird extra bits, just flawlessly fried perfection every single time. So tell us, what's your go-to piece? Flavor infusion. KFC's chicken isn't just seasoned, it's given the royal treatment. The legendary 11 herbs and spices, still top secret, and no, they won't tell us either, are carefully blended to create that iconic, crave-worthy flavor that keeps us all coming back for more. But here's the best part. The chicken isn't just lightly dusted and sent on its way. Oh no, each piece gets a full-on flavor massage, making sure every inch is coated in seasoning goodness. It's like a spa day, but for chicken. except instead of cucumbers on the eyes, it's getting a full rub down in pure deliciousness. Then comes the flavor lock-in phase. The chicken sits and soaks up all that spicy, savory magic, letting the flavors work their way deep inside. That means when you take that first crispy, juicy bite, you're not just tasting the coating, you're getting maximum flavor in every single mouthful. Want to experience it for yourself? Close your eyes, imagine that first crunchy bite, and see if you can resist running to the nearest KFC. Bet you can't. Advanced cooking method. KFC doesn't just fry chicken. It pressure fries it because regular frying just isn't epic enough. This isn't your grandma's deep fryer. We're talking about high-tech, top-secret, moisture-locking, crisp-boosting wizardry. The exact temperature and timing? Locked away in a vault somewhere, probably next to the 11 herbs and spices recipe. Once the chicken is loaded into the fryer baskets, the lid seals shut like a top-secret mission, and the pressure takes over. This isn't just about cooking, it's about making each piece juicier than your wildest fried chicken dreams. The high pressure keeps all that delicious moisture trapped inside, so when you take a bite, you're met with maximum juiciness wrapped in a golden, crispy armor of pure joy. And just when you think it's done, there's the oil shake-off. Freshly fried chicken hits the racks, letting excess oil drip away because nobody wants grease overload, just that perfect crunch. 15 minutes from fryer to finger-licking perfection. Now be honest, you're craving KFC, aren't you? Final touch and flavor boost. KFC doesn't do half crispy, half sad chicken. Every piece goes through a golden brown crispiness check. Because if it's not crunchy perfection, it's not leaving the kitchen. Once approved, it's straight into the warming cabinet spa, where it stays hot and fresh until showtime. No cold, soggy bites here. Now, if you ordered a saucy masterpiece, this is where the magic happens. Whether it's a fiery hot glaze or a sweet, sticky BBQ drizzle, the chicken gets bathed, brushed, or dipped in sauce like it's at a luxury treatment center. The goal? Maximum flavor, zero soggy crust, because nobody wants a sad, limp bite when they could have crunchy, saucy greatness. This point, the only thing left? You, ready to take that first bite? Go on, make that crispy crunch count. Packaging and serving. KFC doesn't just serve chicken, it delivers happiness in a bucket. Whether you're flying solo or feeding a hungry crew, there's a perfectly packed box, tray, or bucket waiting for you. That iconic red and white bucket? More than just packaging, it's a ticket to crispy golden joy. Dining in, your feast arrives hot and ready. Hitting the drive-thru? Grab it and go. Staying in? Delivery keeps it fresh, crispy, and just as good as eating in-store. However you get it, one thing's guaranteed. Your first bite will be magic. No matter how you get your KFC fix, one thing's for sure. That first bite is always worth it. So, are you a bucket sharer or a solo meal devourer? Either way, dig in and enjoy the crispy magic. Ah, America, the land of freedom, oversized sodas, and fast food domination. If there's one thing this country does best, besides inventing new ways to deep fry stuff, it's serving up food fast. And no one does it bigger, better, and more consistently than McDonald's. Yep, 69 million people chow down at McDonald's daily. That's more than the entire population of Italy, France, or England. In the US alone, 45 million people hit up McDonald's daily. And 90% of Americans will eat there this year. Haven't yet? Give it time, you will. Stick around. We're diving into crazy efficient kitchens, robot fry cooks, and secret menu twists that keep the world hooked. Bun preparation. Ever wondered how McDonald's buns stay soft, fluffy, and golden? No, there's no bun wizard, though that would be awesome. It's all about precision, automation, and a whole lot of sesame seeds. It starts in top-tier wheat fields, where only VIP grains make the cut. Next stop, dough party. Giant mixers throw a flour, water, yeast, sugar bash, churning out dough like a DJ on fire. The dough then transforms into cute little dough balls, and heads to the yeast magic zone, where it puffs into soft, fluffy burger clouds. But not too much. We want buns, not balloons. Then, it's bake time. Just before the oven kicks in, boom! Sesame seeds rain down like confetti at a championship game. And just like that, the freshest, fluffiest buns begin their legendary journey. From oven racks to burger stacks, how many sesame seeds do you think are on a Big Mac bun? Take a wild guess. Meat patty processing. McDonald's patties don't just exist, they go on a wild ride before landing in your burger. It all starts with 100% real beef from trusted suppliers. No mystery meat here. Only the best cuts make it through strict inspections. Literally, the beef hits the grinders, turning into a meaty masterpiece. A dash of salt and pepper joins in, just enough to boost flavor. Then, high-tech machines press out perfectly round patties, because lumpy burgers? Nope. Even patties ensure even cooking, resulting in juicy and glorious perfection. Then, flash freeze time. These patties are frozen lightning fast to lock in all that meaty goodness. When they hit the grill, they stay tender and delicious. No dry discs here. Next stop, McDonald's worldwide, where they're grilled, stacked, and devoured at record speed. One bite, and you'll get it. And just like that, your future burger is on its way to McDonald's worldwide. What's your ultimate MacD's burger combo? Double meat? Extra cheese? Let's hear it. Toppings and condiments. What's a burger without its dream team of toppings? A sad sandwich, that's what. But don't worry, McDonald's makes sure every bite is packed with flavor. First, the pickles, crunchy cucumbers that take a dip in a tangy brine bath until they're perfectly zesty. No limp, sad pickles here. Just the kind that add the perfect zing to every bite. Then, ketchup. Because what's a burger without that sweet, tangy goodness? Juicy tomatoes get peeled, cooked, and blended with just the right amount of sugar, vinegar, and secret spices. It's basically burger glue, holding all the flavors together. And finally, mustard. The feisty little condiment that keeps things interesting. Ground mustard seeds, vinegar, and spices come together to bring the perfect sharp kick. It's bold, it's zesty, and it's not here to play games. Together, these toppings create burger harmony. A little tang, a little sweetness, a little spice. Every bite is a flavor explosion. So go ahead, take a bite, and let the condiments work their magic. Burger assembly. All right, time for the burger's big moment, assembly. First up, the buns get a quick toast because nobody likes a soggy burger. A little crisp, a little warmth, and boom, perfect foundation. Next, the condiment squad rolls in. Ketchup and mustard are applied with laser precision. No messy blobs here. And the pickles? Always perfectly placed, never playing hide and seek in your burger. Then, the crunch factor. Fresh lettuce and onions get sprinkled on like burger confetti. And just when you think it can't get better, the star of the show arrives. The juicy, perfectly grilled patty. Top bun drops in like the final puzzle piece, the burger gets wrapped up, and it's off to the warming unit, ready for its grand debut. Fast, fresh, and flawless. Now that's a burger done right. Potato sourcing and preparation. With the burger locked and loaded, it's time for the real MVP, fries. Because let's be honest, a McDonald's meal without fries? Unthinkable. But these aren't just any fries. Only the legendary Russet Burbank potatoes make the cut. Why? Because they crisp up like a dream while staying fluffy inside. Pure potato perfection. The journey starts on sprawling farms, where giant machines, basically potato harvesting superheroes, pluck these golden gems from the earth. Only the best spuds make it, no weird lumpy ones. They're stored under perfect conditions, waiting for their big moment. Next stop, crispy, golden greatness. Cutting and blanching. Now that the perfect potatoes have been picked, it's time for their glow up, aka washing, peeling, and getting ready for fry greatness. First, they take a high-speed power shower with high-pressure water jets that scrub away every last bit of dirt. No muddy spuds here, just clean, golden potatoes ready for the big leagues. Then comes the slicing, but not just any slicing. These potatoes are shot through high-tech water knives at lightning speed, instantly transforming into the perfectly uniform fry shapes we all know and love. No oddball, curly fries sneaking into the batch, just crisp, golden perfection waiting to happen. But before they hit the fryer, there's one more step, blanching. The fries take a quick steamy bath to remove excess starch, keeping them from clumping together like a pile of overexcited puppies. This ensures they fry up light, crispy, and perfectly golden, because nobody wants a sad, soggy fry. And just like that, they're one step closer to becoming the crispy legends we all crave. Partial frying and freezing. Our soon-to-be fries have been washed, peeled, and cut with military precision. Now it's time for a quick sizzle. They take a fast dip in hot oil, just enough to crisp up the outside while keeping that fluffy potato magic inside. It's like a pre-game warm-up before the big fry at the restaurant. But before they can make their crispy debut, they get flash frozen. Basically a time freeze that locks in all that crunch and flavor. No soggy fries here. These golden sticks of joy are then packed up and shipped off to McDonald's locations worldwide, ready to be fried to perfection just for you. Next time you dip one in ketchup, know that it's been on an epic journey, and it's about to be delicious. Final frying at McDonald's restaurants. Now, for the grand finale, our frozen fries take their final plunge into bubbling hot oil. They sizzle and crisp up in a perfect blend of canola, corn, and soybean oils, transforming into that golden, crispy goodness we all dream about. It's like a spa day, but instead of relaxing, they get extra delicious. As soon as they emerge, piping hot and glistening, they get the VIP treatment, an even sprinkle of salt, ensuring every single fry has that signature McDonald's flavor. No sad, underseasoned fries here. Then, they're portioned out with speed and precision, landing in their iconic red carton, ready to meet their burger bestie. And just like that, they're in your hands. Crispy, golden, and absolutely irresistible. Quick challenge. Can you eat just one fry? Bet you can't. And just like that, your McDonald's meal is complete. Golden, crispy fries, a juicy, perfectly stacked burger, and a whole lot of food magic that makes it all happen in record time. Craving more behind-the-scenes fast food secrets? Stick around because next time, we're diving into KFC's secret recipe vault. Is it really locked in a high-security safe? Or is there more to the story? If you loved this, hit that like button, subscribe, and before you go, tell us your go-to McDonald's order. Are you all about that Big Mac life? A McNugget fanatic? Or do you live for McFlurries when the machine actually works? Drop a comment below. Now, go grab some fries. You know you want to. See you next time.